Cornbread. You love it or you love it. Cornbread is one of my favorite things to make for my family because it comes together so quickly and it's a really easy side dish for so many things. You can take it to a picnic and serve it alongside pulled pork or coleslaw, or sometimes I'll make it in the winter and serve it along soups, stews, and chilies. It's so good. And this recipe is super versatile, which is why the internet loves it. I published this recipe years ago on the internet, and I've been making it for about 15 years now, and it's super popular. It has almost 600 5-star reviews. Here's how you make it. You just need 1 cup of cornmeal. I like to use yellow because it's pretty, and a softer grind will lend to a softer cornbread. If you use like a medium, this is a fine grind cornmeal. If you use a medium, it'll have a more gritty texture. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I use 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. And then 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I just kind of mix those together in the bottom of my bowl. And then I'm gonna add in 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of neutral oil, like a vegetable or canola oil. You can also use avocado oil, and an egg. And you just stir this together to form a really simple batter. I think what people love the most about this is it's so versatile. You can use gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour. It works really, really well. You can use a flax egg instead of a real egg. You can use alternative milk like almond milk or soy milk instead of the cow's milk. The diversity really helps people make it what they want it to be. You can use whole grain flour, all kinds of things. You can kind of make it your own. So do you see the batter? It's like this nice thin consistency. It's about the texture of pancake batter. And then this is an 8x8. You can use an 8x8 or an 8x9 that just have slightly different baking times. A 9x9 is gonna have like a 25-minute bake time, and an 8x8 is gonna have a 35-minute bake time. I just sprayed it with a little bit of cooking oil. And they put it in, and it goes in a 400-degree oven. And that's it. It took 3 minutes to throw together. Everyone loves it, and it's super quick. I can finish the rest of the dinner or set the table or make a salad while this is cooking because it's so quick. And here is our finished cornbread. It's beautiful. It's golden. It's risen. This is a sweet cornbread. You can adjust the sugar how you like it. I've had people omit it altogether. I do the 2/3 cup because I like a sweet cornbread. I think that it's delicious. My Midwestern roots love it. So here it is. Absolutely perfect. And I'll show you a few more finished shots of it. So if you're looking for the full recipe, you can find it on blessthismessplease.com. And I would love if you would subscribe. Thanks so much.